Okay guys, it's Rob here from CD Fabrication. We're going to check out our new Outback Camper Grill. We'll show you how easy it is to assemble and disassemble it, and we'll go over some features along the way. So as you can see here, comes in a nice little package with some handles there. Weighs in at just over 10 kilos for the whole package, and it's around the 7.5 kilo without the top grills. As you can see here, we've got two wing nuts for easy assembly and disassembly. So we'll lay it flat, we'll get it unscrewed, and we'll show you how easy it is to put this thing together. It's going to run through a close-up of our assembly and disassembly. As you can see here, onto our wing nuts there. Grill, two side panels, our main body, and our griddle. I want to start with this panel here with the 4 tabs. Grab your side piece, slide that in. Got our other side piece, line up 4 tabs, slide that in. We have our other body piece, has 3 tabs here. They line up with these 3 down below. We slot it in at the front, line them up. That's it, ready to go. If you've opted for the Firepit only, this is everything done. The body's made out of cordon steel. Cordon's pretty cool, it rusts up, and then the surface rust protects the rest of the material. So great for outdoor use and fire pits. If you opted for the full package, you'll get one of these, and you'll get a grill. Also got a bottle opener with a nice little bowl opener there. It's a nice little tea slot. This is great. So slide that in there, lift it up. Also got a nice little slot on the flat plate too. As you can see there, nice and easy to pick up. You add a little nipple there. That's great for cleaning the grill, as you can see there. Makes it a complete package. You don't need to bring a brush or anything to clean it with. That should handle everything. And this is also made out of 3 or 4 stainless steel, so this won't have any rust, as well as the obviously added bonus of having the bottle opener attached. Got a hole here as well, so it packs up into one. Slide it under the seat in your car, slide it in the boot. If you've got a tray, throw it in there, and you're good to go. So we'll quickly run through the disassembly and the pack up. It's super easy to do. Let's show you how it's done. Put your bottle opener aside, grill's off, pop your side panel off, one of the sides, main body off, then the other side. So I like to start with the griddle, pop your wing nut bolts through there, hold them there, laying flat with the threads pointing up. Next is the main body panels. I like to do these next. You can do the side panels too if you prefer. So just line them up, slide them on top. Now you've got your side panels. Throw them on. And finally, you've got your grill. Pop that on top. Bowl opener. It's up and down. You got your wing nuts. There you have it. All ready to go. Left it there. If you've got the grills on there, that there's little feet, so it'll actually stand up on its own. I wouldn't trust it as it is a little bit wobbly there, but it's an option nonetheless. Check these out at cldfab.com.au. We'll leave a link in the video description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.